Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make these very beautiful barrettes or hair clips, whatever you want to call them. So I first saw them here and I thought they were very cool, and then Orly Shani made them and they were even more beautiful than the original ones. I was so inspired, so I decided to make them. Also, her DIYs are so good. I'll link her channel down below. It's called the DIY Designer and it's awesome. So this is what we need to make these hair clips. It's not a lot of stuff, just 2-3 things. So the first thing being UHU, and she is my DIY companion and I trust her like I really do. So the next thing is these teardrop crystals. You can find them anywhere and they're a very common thing. They come in different sizes, smaller and larger, whatever suits you. You can buy them in those sizes. Let's have a closer look. Look at all that blink. I love such kind of stuff. And the most important thing, our base, these barrettes. And we all used to use them when we were kids. Remember, you can get them in silver or black, whatever you want. And finally, a notebook. And I almost forgot, glass paints. That's because I couldn't find the crystals in the colors that I wanted. If you can, excellent. If not, then you're gonna need them too. So here is what we are going to do. It's very easy. Just take the notebook and a hair clip and open it and just put it in the notebook like that. That's it. That's the very first step. Next, I'll take UHU and apply it on the very crown of this hair clip. So a generous amount of UHU, and then I'll let it dry for a few seconds so that it may become a little bit of sticky. In that way, when I'll put the crystals on, they will not move very easily. Otherwise, they'll slide here and there and it will become very difficult for us to place them. Next, take the crystal and the pointed side should be downwards, like this. As you can see the placement here, that is what we'll achieve over here. So we'll put the crystal on the pin, the pointed side downwards, and then we'll take another one and apply a little bit of pressure so that they may stick properly. And we'll repeat this process all over this clip until we're done. Now apply UHU on this side of the pin, a very generous amount again, and let it dry for a few seconds. And take another crystal, the pointed side downwards again, and there we go. There we go. That's it. Next, it fell from my hand. Never mind, it happens. So we'll take another crystal and shoot, I know, hat tutte mere. So we'll take it and now we'll place it the other way, like the pointed side should be outwards, and for the next one the pointed side should be inwards again. And this is what we will do for the sides, inwards, outwards, and the whole sides will be done in this way. Now that one side is done, I'll show you how we will make the tip. And for the tip part, we'll take a crystal and the pointed side should be inward, and we'll place it a little bit diagonally so that it can make a good room for the next ones. And here comes the next one. It should be inwards, placed inwards like that on the very tip, like that, and apply a good pressure so that it looks good and aligned with the other ones. So, and I'll do the other side of the clip off camera and then I will show you how it looks. Now that I have completed this side as well, there is just a small bit of space remaining, and I'll take a crystal, pointed side inwards, and I'll place it diagonally, and we're done. So this is how it looks like with all the crystals on, and I think it looks very pretty. The pin in front of you like this, and you'll correct all the angles so that they are all aligned in the same line. Like that one is a bit upward, so I'll correct it, and now I think they look fine. So let the glue dry for a very good amount of time and it'll pay off. So here is another one that I made earlier, and once it's completely dry, I'll take UHU and put it a generous amount of it on the back side of this hair clip. And this will make sure that when we open and close it, nothing comes off, and trust me, nothing will come off. And this is how it looks like. Pretty, I know. Ta-da-da! 4 done and 2 more to go. So I have completed all 6 of them, and now I am gonna let them dry for a good amount of time. Now comes the part where we will paint them in our desired colors. If you want to skip this step, you can, because to be very honest, they will look very good in this way. But if you cannot, trust me, painting them is not gonna take a lot of time. Alright, so this is how they're looking like after I've painted them in different rainbow colors, and I think they came out very well. So that is it for this video, and do comment down below what do you think about how they came out and how do you like them. And see you another time in another video with another project. Until then, Allah Hafiz, and yes, don't forget subscribing my channel.